Nobody talks about this, but if you're an editor, you need to know these hacks. Welcome back to the InShot Editing series, and today we are talking about transitions, effects, and how to apply effects to multiple layers. So let's get started. First up, transitions. Import at least 2 clips. Click on the button between the 2 clips to add transitions. So this is where you control how your scenes flow, you can keep it smooth, or make it hit hard. It's entirely up to you. Next up, effects. Add effects or AI effects to give your video a little more impact. For basic effects, you can try zoom, shake, blur, or lens for that vintage cinematic feel. With AI effects, you've got options for every shot, for your face and your body, so you can play around with them. And we have multi-layer effects. Now you can also stack multiple effects. By default, the newest one sits right on top. So if something doesn't look right, just select the effect and tap front to bring it forward. Lastly, object. Effects automatically apply to your main clip, but you can change that. Tap Object and choose Main for your main clip, PIP for overlays, or All to apply it to everything. This is how you get full control over your edit. Bet you didn't know the object part before this. Save this video and follow us for more video editing tips. Like and follow InShot for weekly editing tricks.